Hello viewers, today I was telling about how to change Instagram video thumbnail. For that we need to go to Instagram and click on profile, and I was posted a video yesterday. I was clicking on that. Here we have three dots line. Click on that. Here we need to click on edit option. So here we have a symbol of edit. Click on that. Here we have. Click on that. Reset the video. Now we need to click on add from camera roll. So I was taking a picture of cute little family. So click the done option. So it was done. If you like captions, write any caption. For that I was writing a family and click on right button. Now you can see the thumbnail was changing. Like this we can change our thumbnail. Thank you.